Hello there. This is the fuses and the battery box. It's already installed. It's been like I think yesterday. It's only one day, and because the car doesn't start, I'll show you in a second what is the situation. But I came to the switch. This one. This is the relay switch that's may prevent the car from getting started because of changing the batteries or something wrong with the computer. And in this switch, I saw many different video files telling me the reset switch, and one of the guys, I would like to thank him very much. He sent it again, and I can't see where exactly where should I push to make this switch reset. So it's not clear exactly, is it something actually I can do, or is it activated, or maybe it's normal like this, so nothing to do with the switch right now. But my car situation is like this now. After I installed the new battery, I wasn't able to move the gear nor the wheels. So now they are fine. Once I put the ignition inside, because I can do or use both, and I have to put my foot on the brakes. So I will try to switch on. So nothing's happened now. It won't start. As you can see, it's only the radio, some lights, and nothing in the dash. But the car itself, it doesn't. Even the AC is on. So I hope I can find some information. Thank you very much.